Hello everyone, we've just fitted this X Series CAN bus immobiliser to this Ford Fiesta ST. It's a 2018 reg. The X Series is from Scorpion Automotive. It's a discrete CAN bus immobiliser that can only be deactivated, disarmed if you like, using a button combination which you use your existing vehicle buttons, so usually the steering wheel. So I'll show you how it works now. So it's armed at the moment. So if we get into the vehicle and we try and start the engine, as you can see, the engine's not starting. I've got my finger on the button there and it's not starting at all. So we'll just turn that off. So to disarm the immobiliser, what you need to do is pop the ignition on. So you get into the vehicle as normal, pop the ignition on, input the code. So I'm going to show you the code anyway, because I'm going to change it after this video. So what we've done is up, down, and then you see a flash of the indicators on the dashboard, and then you can start the vehicle as normal. So as you can see, the vehicle's started. So obviously you go and do your journey, and then to arm the immobiliser, it does automatically arm itself. So to do that, you just obviously turn the engine off, and once you open the doors, it will automatically arm the immobiliser, and you'll get a confirmation of the indicator flashes there. So I'll open the door now. There you go. So you see two indicator flashes, and that means the immobiliser is now armed. And again, the vehicle just won't start without the combination code that we inputted before. So yeah, so it's obviously good for the key cloning thefts that keep happening lately, and also as well, if someone breaks into your house and gets hold of your keys, then obviously they've got no chance of getting away with your vehicle unless they know your combination. You can have any combination. It does vary on different vehicles what buttons you can use. It can be 15 buttons long, however you just tend to just do 4 buttons, and it also, you can change it as well. There's full instructions on how to change it yourself. The CAN bus immobiliser, Scorpion X CAN bus immobiliser, it is vehicle dependent, so it's not compatible with all vehicles. It's usually the newer model vehicles, so usually 2016/18 onwards. But if you just give us a call, we can check if it's compatible with your vehicle. It is $449, that is installed at your home address. However, we have got it on offer at the moment at $410 on our website, esauto.co.uk. So if you head over to there, it's $410 at the moment. It is for a limited period of time, but yeah, so if you go over there, you can get the benefit from the offer. So yeah, so that's the X Series CAN bus immobiliser from Scorpion Automotive. If you want any more information, visit our website www.esauto.co.uk, or you can give us a call on 0800 321 3621. Thank you.